Hey everyone, wanted to show you this Essentials glitter set from Just For You Online UK. I have been sent this to test and I thought we'd all like to have a look together. So let's see what these are like. So this is the Essential Glitters. Now you can get these in great big tubs as well, but they were being asked for little trial sizes and this is a great way to do it. If you only want a little bit of each colour rather than a great big tub, then this is the perfect set. And yeah, just the sort of thing to put on your Christmas list, eh? I would say so. Thank you very much to Just For You Online for sending them to me to test. I hope I shall explain them well to the people. I shall do my best. So, as you can see, we have got, what we got there, 10 colours. Now what I'm going to do is brush them into the moulds. We'll have a good look at them as we open them as well. What I say, look at that. So yeah, I'm going to brush them into the moulds and then we'll have to try and remember which mould had which ones in, but I think it should be pretty obvious. Okay, so it doesn't stick to the moulds. This is a mixy-in type glitter then, I think. Right, I'm going to mix some resin. Back in a moment. So the resin I'm using is the 1:1 resin from Just For You Online. I thought we might as well stick with the same brand today as the powder glitters. This one is called Apex High Gloss Finish. It's good for either shallow stuff or up to, I think, officially 3 centimetres. I've got it to do deeper than that. It's just a general good all-purpose resin, and as you can see, I'm stirring it way too fast. And getting bubbles. Now, it degasses really well anyway, so fret ye not. I could have used the fast curing one that they do. It's really nice and thick, and that would probably have stopped the glitter sinking so much. But hey, it's just what I had to hand, and I know it'll work anyway. Right, I'm going to pop a bit of this in each pot. As you can see, this is a medium viscosity, and it is a 24-hour cure jobby. So I'll pop a bit in each pot and I'll be back with you shortly. So, have they got names on? Blue Lagoon. So, let's just put a little bit. You can see me wanting a big pot of that. Oh, I say, isn't that gorgeous? Let's just tip that in. We're going to work our way through all of them. I'll do a close-up of the lid of each, because then if you want to pause it and check out the name, you can, although I will try to tell you. Depends whether I can read it. Ooh, champagne. I think I've got a big tub of this actually. Ooh, this one's got a little paper top in it. Nice. So that's like a subtle pale gold. Let's have a little bit more. That's lovely, isn't it? Not as in your face as some golds are. So I'm going to end up with a load of sparkly jewellery blanks here. I'm wondering what to do with them. At some point I'm going to go all through my collection of what I call bits. All my blank test pieces and find uses for them all. I really must do that. Now, wiping the stick between each one, putting the lids back on because I know what I'm like and it's going to end up everywhere if I don't. Right, what we got next? So this one is just called gold. So let's see what the difference is between the champagne and the gold. And I'm expecting it to be a lot brighter, this one, but we'll put the two side by side. And I'll turn my lights up later when we demould it and we'll have a closer look. Yeah, this is much more of a traditional yellow gold. Nice. Yeah, it's a lot more yellowy, definitely. So, oh, mixed up a bit more of that, didn't I? And let's pop it in one of these little chappies up here. don't know why. Obviously didn't, I just put a dollop in each pot, I didn't measure it, you know what I'm like. Just talk amongst yourselves for a moment. Right, there's that one, so that is champagne. I don't think if the light's picking that up, but it's definitely a lot more yellowy gold. It's like a traditional gold. Alright, where are we going next? What's this one? Oh, that's pretty. What's this called? Electric turquoise. That sounds quite a good description of it, doesn't it? Nice. Obviously these are quite big pieces. I'll try and do the smaller ones actually. Oh, that's gorgeous. Hope the light's picking these up. I'm experimenting with lighting still at the moment. Let's have a bit more light. Because people kept complaining about my ring light. Right, this looks like rose gold. Yes, it is. Pretty. Pretty. Top him up. So we are just going to have solid glitter pieces here. Now, I have got a couple of things that will involve lots of little sections. I've got like another tree of life type thing I want to do sometime. So maybe we'll get these glitters out for that. They're very fine. Very holographic in most cases. The blue and green are definitely very holographic. Alright. Oh, that looks nice. What's that one called? Marina. Oh, my sort of colour that. Almost purple, isn't it? Now I've got quite a lot of resin in this pot, so let's do one of the bigger ones. I don't know why I ended up with different amounts in each one. Let's go for this big square one. Oh, I say that's delicious. Oh, when I was a kid and you could only get glitter in plain colours. Answer a question for me, folks. Is it physically possible to have too much glitter? That's nice. What's this one called? White ignition. I've got a feeling I've got a big tub of this one too. Yeah, is it possible to have too much glitter? Is that a thing? What are your thoughts? Oh, look at that. I've already got some white ignition, I'm pretty sure I have. I think that's the one that's in the Rebel Glitters set, which is the bigger pots. It's like opal type effect. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Look at that. Okay, what's that called? Coral Reef. That's pretty. What a subtle colour, that's gorgeous. I'll stop saying gorgeous, everything's gorgeous. Sage Blaze. Oh, that's pretty. With all the new glitters I've got recently, so the ones from Jam Pot Glitter, which are mostly chunky glitters, but there's all sorts, and these, I can feel another dragon phase coming on. Okay, and here we go. Look at that. What's that called? Sangria. Oh, I see. It's like a deep, winey, reddy, coppery sort of. Lovely. That'd actually be quite nice for some Halloween projects, wouldn't it? Oh, by the way, somebody was asking about the pouring cups and the fact that they are normally right-handed. the little silicone ones you get. I started using these lately, which it's a bit wasteful because they throw away. You can't reuse them, which does grate a bit with me, but they are dead handy because you can scrunch them to make your own little poury bit. So they're neither left nor right-handed. Oh, look at that. Yes, I now see why that's called sangria. And because I did 2 of these golds, I'm going to just tip some of that into the corner so not to waste it of that small one. Right then, I'm just going to get my camera and let's take my gloves off first. Don't like doing that before I leave the room, but anyway. Don't want to get resin all over my camera. But here we go. Here's these colours. And let me bring the light in. Yeah, whatever I do with the light isn't going to work, is it? I think we'll have to wait until I demould them. Then we can have a proper look. But they are looking fabulous to me. So, I shall see you, well, it'll be tomorrow for me, in a few seconds for you. See you later. Okay, different location for our demoulding then, and slightly different angle and different lighting because we are in my kitchen and it's 4:30 in the morning. I couldn't sleep, so I thought, hey, let's get up and do something. Right, let's have a look at these glitters then. Now, I'm demoulding a little early, so they are slightly bendy still. I probably should have my gloves on. But, oh, I say, look at that. I hope the camera's picking that up okay. That is just gorgeous. Woo. And yes, I definitely should have my gloves on. Give me some serious hand washing in a minute. Try not to touch my face or anything. I can't go upstairs and get my gloves now. I'll wait Mark up. So that was the gold. Beautiful. Let's see what the champagne looks like compared to it. Better see them better now, won't we? Now, see, that's a really subtle gold. Isn't that nice? Are you seeing the difference there? Beautiful. I like that. Oops. I'll get the camera in close. By the way, I tried off camera to see if I could get these to stick to a mould. No, that's obviously not how they work. Right, this was the rose gold. Gorgeous again. These are absolutely beautiful. This one was called coral, if I remember rightly. A shimmer in that. There's some serious holographics going on. Don't normally see that good a holographic with a fine glitter. The green, can't remember what the green was called. And of course the pots are upstairs, aren't they? That's really nice. Something sage it was called, wasn't it? Lovely. And this one, gosh, this one's really bendy. Can't remember what that was called, but ooh, that's such a rich colour. Gorgeous, and it has got little specks of other colours in it. It colour flips a little bit. Very nice. Oh, lovely. That was something ocean, wasn't it? Oops. She says dropping it. Half asleep, you see. Oh, colour flipping in that. I hope the camera's picking that up for you. And this was something turquoise. Oh, again, all the flips in that. Lovely. And this is the one I chucked a bit of the dark colour in with the gold, or the champagne, whichever it was. I got too much of. Of course, it doesn't really shine through. It is on the back, but not the front. Right, let's have a closer look at these. I'm just going to take my camera out of the holder and we'll have a look. And this is the ignition white, and I nearly missed this one. I forgot to demold him. Gorgeous. Look at that shimmer. It's almost like an opal effect. Fantastic. I brought the light in closer as well. Let's have a better look at them. Here we are. Yeah, I can see what's happening on my camera lens now. On my viewer, rather. Look at the shifting going on. Ooh. I'm impressed by the shift on these, the colour shift. I think this one's my favourite. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh look, my nails are going as well. This is a good light, isn't it? That's what my nails are doing. Yeah, shame the other hand doesn't look like that. Can you see that colour shift going on in them? A bit. Right, there we go. Stop waffling, Trace. Let's leave with a last look at this one. Right, so yes, that is the glitters set from Just For You online. As I said at the start, you can get these in big pots as well, but we'd all been asking for like little trial size ones, and they have obliged. So that lot comes in a little set, and I think it is superb, in my humble opinion. So if you found this video helpful, then of course do give me a like if you would, please. If you the little button for that's down there, the little thumbs up, that would be great. And if you would like to see more of these product reviews as well as demos of how to make things and my experimenting and so forth, then do feel free to subscribe. Of course, that's free, and it will mean that I can let you know whenever I've got something new coming out. So I will see you all soon, folks. See you for the next one. Bye.